Hey Ashlyn, it's Logan here at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up the road from the Galleria in Hoover. I want to thank you for inquiring about the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. I have several 2017s on the lot because of various trim levels and packages as well as colors. Just depends on what you're looking for and what your wants and needs are in that Tucson. But I would love to talk with you about it. All of them are going to come with America's Best warranty. It's a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, but here at Tameron, we're going to exclusively double that to 20 years and 200,000 miles at no cost and no strings attached. It's going to keep your Tucson running long and strong for many years to come. Give me a call. My name is Logan, 205-380-6250. We'll set up a time for you to come down, take a test drive, and we'll pick out exactly which one you want. Again, my name's Logan, 205-249-7205. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.